Alaska, a land of extremes, a place where nature's raw power and serene beauty coexist in perfect harmony. Here the landscape is a canvas painted with the bold strokes of glaciers, mountains and rivers. It's a place that captures the imagination and stirs the soul. Giant glaciers, ancient and majestic, carve their way through towering mountains, shaping the land over millennia. These rivers of ice are constantly on the move, slowly but surely transforming the landscape. Icy rivers, born from the melting glaciers, flow with a relentless force into the vast open oceans. These rivers are the lifeblood of the land, connecting the high mountains to the deep seas. This is a land of incredible beauty, where every vista is a masterpiece. From the snow-capped peaks to the lush valleys, Alaska's scenery is a testament to nature's grandeur. It is also a land of incredible wildlife. Here, animals roam free in their natural habitats, from the mighty grizzly bear to the elusive lynx. The diversity of life is astounding. Alaska is the largest state in the United States, a vast expanse of wilderness that dwarfs the other states. Its sheer size is a reminder of the untamed nature that still exists in our world. It is home to some of the most remote and untouched wilderness in the world, places where few humans have ever set foot, and where nature reigns supreme. From the towering peaks of the Alaska Range, which rise like sentinels over the land, to the lush rainforests of the Inside Passage, where life thrives in abundance, Alaska is a land of endless variety and wonder. Each region offers a unique glimpse into the natural world, from the Arctic tundra to the temperate rainforests. This is a place where the sun might not set for months during the summer, bathing the land in continuous daylight. The phenomenon of the midnight sun is a marvel to behold. Then, as winter approaches, the sun disappears for long periods, plunging the land into extended darkness. The contrast between the seasons is stark and dramatic. In this land of extremes, animals and plants have adapted to thrive. They have evolved unique strategies to survive the harsh conditions, from hibernation to migration. Join us now as we journey to this incredible place. We'll explore its breathtaking landscapes, encounter its remarkable wildlife, and uncover the secrets of its natural wonders. Let's discover the hidden gems of Alaska, a frozen paradise that continues to inspire and amaze. Together, we'll embark on an adventure like no other. Alaska is a land shaped by ice and fire. This vast and rugged state is home to some of the most dramatic landscapes on Earth. From its towering mountains to its expansive glaciers, Alaska's natural beauty is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their snow-capped peaks glistening in the sunlight. These majestic giants stand as sentinels over the land, watching over the wilderness below. These peaks were formed by the collision of tectonic plates, a process that took millions of years. The immense pressure and heat from these collisions forced the Earth's crust to buckle and fold, creating the towering mountains we see today. They are reminders of the powerful forces that shape our planet. The geological activity that created these mountains is a testament to the dynamic nature of the Earth, constantly changing and evolving. Glaciers, vast rivers of ice, flow down from the mountains. These glaciers are not just static ice masses. They are constantly moving, slowly but surely, carving their way through the landscape. They carve valleys and create fjords, leaving behind a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful. The valleys and fjords formed by glaciers are some of the most stunning features of the Alaskan wilderness. These glaciers are a testament to the power of nature. They demonstrate the incredible force that ice can exert on the land, reshaping it over millennia. They are a reminder of the ever-changing face of our planet. As the climate changes, so too do the glaciers, retreating and advancing in response to the Earth's shifting temperatures. But Alaska's beauty is not limited to its mountains and glaciers. The state is also home to a diverse array of landscapes, each with its own unique charm and allure. The state is also home to vast forests, pristine rivers, and an abundance of wildlife. These forests are teeming with life, from towering trees to the smallest of creatures, and a coastline that stretches for thousands of miles. This coastline is dotted with countless bays, inlets, and islands, each offering its own unique beauty and opportunities for exploration. Alaska truly is a land of ice and stone, a place where the forces of nature are on full display. Beyond the well-trodden paths lie hidden gems. These are places of incredible beauty and wonder. They are often overlooked by visitors. One such gem is Kakamak Bay State Park. It is a haven for marine life. Another is Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve. It is a vast wilderness of mountains, glaciers, and forests. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into the true heart of Alaska. They are a reminder that there is still so much of this world left to explore. Alaska is a land teeming with life. Its vast and varied landscapes are home to an astonishing array of creatures, each adapted to thrive in this rugged environment. From the smallest insects to the largest land mammals, the state is home to an incredible diversity of wildlife. Tiny insects buzz around the vibrant flora, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem by pollinating plants and serving as food for other animals. In the forests, black bears and grizzly bears roam in search of food. These powerful predators are often seen fishing in the rivers, skillfully catching salmon as they leap upstream. Their presence is a testament to the health of the ecosystem, as they help maintain the balance by controlling the population of their prey. Moose, the largest members of the deer family, browse on leaves and twigs. These majestic animals are well adapted to the cold, with long legs that help them move through deep snow and a thick coat that provides insulation against the harsh winter temperatures. Wolves howl in the distance, their calls echoing through the trees. These social animals live in packs and are known for their complex communication. Their howls can be heard for miles, serving as a way to communicate with other pack members and to mark their territory. Along the coast, whales breach the surface of the water, their massive bodies dwarfing the boats that come to watch them. These gentle giants migrate thousands of miles each year, following the rich feeding grounds that sustain them. Their presence is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life in the ocean. Sea otters frolic in the kelp forests, their playful antics a delight to behold. These marine mammals are known for their intelligence and dexterity, often using tools to open shellfish. They play a vital role in maintaining the health of the kelp forests by keeping sea urchin populations in check. And bald eagles soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the waters for fish. These iconic birds of prey are a symbol of strength and freedom, and their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. They build large nests high in the trees where they raise their young and keep a watchful eye on their territory. As night falls, the sky comes alive with the northern lights, or aurora borealis. This natural light display is caused by particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors across the sky. It's a fitting end to a day in Alaska where the wild things roam and nature's wonders never cease to amaze. Section 5. The Spirit of Alaska's People. Alaska is also home to a rich and diverse culture. The state's indigenous people have lived in harmony with the land for thousands of years. They have a deep understanding of the natural world. Their traditions and stories are passed down through generations. They offer valuable insights into the history of this land. From the Tlingit people of the southeast to the Inuit people of the north, Alaska's indigenous cultures are an integral part of the state's identity. Section 6. The Northern Lights, a celestial dance. As darkness descends in the winter months, the sky comes alive with a magical display. The Northern Lights, also known as the aurora borealis, dance across the sky. These shimmering curtains of light are caused by charged particles from the sun, interacting with the Earth's atmosphere. The result is a breathtaking spectacle of color and movement. The Northern Lights are a reminder of the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the natural world. Section 7. Preserving Paradise, a Shared Responsibility. Alaska's natural beauty is a precious resource. It is one that we have a responsibility to protect. Climate change is a real and present threat to Alaska's glaciers, wildlife, and ecosystems. We must all do our part to reduce our impact on the environment. We must support efforts to conserve this incredible wilderness for future generations. Section 8. The Call of the Wild, an Invitation to Explore. Alaska is a land that calls to the adventurer in all of us. It is a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature. Whether you are kayaking among glaciers, hiking through forests, or simply gazing in wonder at the night sky, Alaska is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Section 9. Alaska Forever Wild. Alaska, a land of frozen paradise, a land of towering mountains and pristine wilderness. This is a place where the human spirit can be renewed. It reminds us of the importance of preserving our natural world. Let us all do our part to ensure that this last frontier remains wild and free for generations to come. Let the spirit of Alaska inspire us to be better stewards of our planet. Let us protect this treasure for all time.